Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your science teacher. I hope that you all are fine and studying well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to start our topic Animal Cell from Unit 2, The Animal World, and this is our lecture number 2 from Unit number 2. Our learning objectives are: students should be able to describe the composition of an animal cell. Means, after studying this topic, a student should be able to define all the parts and the functions of the parts of the cells. Okay. The diagnostic assessment is: what is the basic unit of life? What is the basic unit of life? Number 2, what is the central part of a cell? What is the central part of a cell? You have to answer it by yourself. Okay. The basic unit of life is cell, and the central part of cell is nucleus. Now come to the understanding of the topic. Point number 1, all living things are made up of cells. Means all the living things in this universe are made up of cells. Means cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life on earth. Next, cells hold all the information necessary to keep an animal alive. Means the information which is necessary to keep an animal alive is stored in cell. Next, each type of cells perform a different function. Means there are different types of cell and their function is depend upon their type. Means the brain cell will perform the specific function and the blood cell will perform the specific function according to their nature or type. The examples are nerve cells and blood cells. Next, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, vacuole are parts of an animal cells. These are the few main parts of an animal cells. You can see nucleus. The next one is cytoplasm, cell membrane. There is one, and the vacuole. Where is the vacuole? It is here. These are some main parts of an animal cell. This is a picture of an animal cell and you can check the parts from here. Next point is the function of these main parts. The nucleus is the control center of cell. Means all the information of a cell is stored in its nucleus. It is the control center of the cell. The next one, the cytoplasm helps to move the materials. The cytoplasm, this part, this helps the cell to move its material. Means it helps in transportation of materials within a cell inside the cell membrane. Next, the vacuole is a space in the cytoplasm containing air, liquid or food. Means vacuole stores the air, liquid or food. Means it can store the food, water or waste materials for the cell. Next one is the cell membrane acts as a barrier to the world outside the cell. Means all the things which are present outside the cell The cell membrane acts as a barrier for them, means it does not allow all the things to come inside to the cell without any special permission from the cell parts or cell organelles. Okay, it is specified, it will allow only the specified things to come inside from it, means from cell membrane. Okay, next one, the smaller parts within a cell are called organelles. These were the four main parts: cell membrane, nucleus, vacuole, and cytoplasm, and the other smaller parts are called organelles. What is this called? Organelles. And these are also specified for their proper functioning, but they are smaller in size. Okay, this was the structure of an animal cell, and the specific main four parts are cell membrane, nucleus, vacuole, and cytoplasm, and some other smaller parts are also present, and these are called organelles. Next is an assessment for you, and you will solve it. Question number 1 is encircle the best option. Question 2, fill in the blanks. You can solve it by understanding the lecture and through the thorough reading of this paragraph. Question number 3 is right answer of the question, and the question 1 is what is the function of cell. Next question is what are the main parts and which part is a control center of cell. And here is an activity of a scientist named Ataur Rahman, and here you have to draw the animal cell. You have to practice and then draw and label the diagram of an animal cell, and you will label the following parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and vacuole. And your diary is, means your assessment or home task is to solve this diagram. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Enjoy your studies at home.